In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a Kanban board inside of Jira. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to Jira and then log into your account. Once you get inside of your account, it should be looking something like this. And now from here you'll need to go over to the left-hand menu and go over to where it says spaces down here. Once from here you'll see this little plus icon called Create Space, and once from here, once you've done that, it should be looking something like this, where you can see the space templates. Now from here, you'll be able to see every single one that is made for you, and maybe Kanban board will be visible in here, but if it isn't, you'll just need to go down to categories and then down to software development. Now from here, you'll be able to see the first one here is a Kanban board. Now from here, you'll simply need to click on it and then click use template. Once from here, you'll be able to give this Kanban board a name, so let's just call it test 4, and then you can see how your space is managed, and then you'll be able to either add a team managed or a company managed. From here you can just choose the specific one that is suitable for you, and from here you'll add whether or not it should be access to either private, limited, or open up. From here you can also add a key to the specific Kanban board if you want to do that, and once from here you'll simply need to click next. Once from here you'll simply need to add the work type, where you can add the task, story, feature, bug, or add a new work type, or delete these ones if you're not feeling those. You can also add statuses and views down here, but from here you'll simply need to click next once you have edited all of that, and once from here you'll simply need to enter names and emails that you want to invite into this Kanban board and add them as either a member, a viewer, a guest collaborator, or an administrator. Once from here you can click next, like so, and as you can see the Kanban board has been created successfully. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!